Hey, I just got an awesome email, actually two, and they were asking me the exact same thing. So I thought this should be something I clarify. They said, here's my problem. Will your program help me? Here's the funny thing. My program is no program. My program is to keep you off diet programs. What I'm trying to do is to help you reshape your thinking to where you can lose this weight and keep it off for the rest of your life. There's some very basic, simple truths, and I'm just going to give them to you now so you can take them and run with them. One, if you want to lose weight, you have to eat at a calorie deficit. Two, if you prioritize protein in your diet, it makes that whole venture so much easier. And three, make sure you're getting lots of fruits and vegetables and stay off the programs. Get off the shakes, get off the pills, get off all the crazy stuff people are telling you to do. Find something that is sustainable and stick with it. If you have dieted down for so long that you can't take a small deficit off of your daily burn, work your way back up by slowly reintroducing calories and getting yourself back up. So if I burn 23 to 2,500 calories a day, I should be able to take 500 to 700 off of that and easily lose weight, which is what I've been doing. If I have been dieting for so long that I can only eat 1,500 calories and maintain my weight, then I need to actually go in the opposite direction. So my program, again, no program. My program is to help you get past the idea that you need to be on a program to begin with. Take a calorie deficit, treat yourself well, move your body in a way that feels good, eat food that you like, and start to change your whole outlook on this thing. Because remember, no point in dropping that 20 pounds for summer just to gain it back in the fall, right? We want to keep this weight off for the rest of your life. So I hope that helps answer the question about the program. All right, you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.